All right, guys, so we got an awesome product by Freaky Rock. This is one of their chairs for outside. This is a garage chair that they have. We went ahead and put it together. You got 360-degree rotation on it, which makes it super, super nice when it comes to this. It took us about 10 minutes to put it together. And talking through the unboxing, I have an unboxing video. Hopefully you can watch that. I'm going to tell you a couple things about this. This has an actuator on it. Look how high that goes. This will sit up really high, and this is actually a footrest right here. You can higher it and lower it however you want to by this knob. You have these 3 containers, one being magnetic that you can place stuff in the bottom. And again, super comfortable. Easy to maneuver too. Now I'm sitting on some turf because I'm in the simulator area, but it is easy to maneuver. It has some really awesome wheels on it, and that's the other reason why you want to pick this one up. It has the proper skate wheels. So it's not those other ones that are just going to get bogged down. Single line wheels with proper bearings in them. You see how easy that was and light for me to move it? That's what makes this a game changer. Look at how comfortable this is. And guess what? I got a spot to rest my feet if I want to. I also have a spot to put my stuff down in the bottom. Guys, look at that, making it easy to utilize. You want to definitely check out one of these guys. If you're needing something in and out of the garage for some comfortability, this is a solid chair. So at the end of the day, this is what you're needing. Definitely check it out.